Today we discuss about the zero order reaction. Zero order reaction. Previous class we have already discussed the what is order of reaction and molecularity of reaction. What is order of reaction and what is molecularity of reaction we have already discussed. So today we will discuss about the zero order reaction. As the name suggests, zero order. So order kate ase? Order will be zero. Order will be zero because zero order reaction. So what is zero order reaction? कहा को हमें जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन कहबो इन व्हिच रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन इज इंडिपेंडेंट अपॉन द मोलर कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ द रिएक्ट रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन का मोलर कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ रिएक्टेंट ऊपर डिपेंड करिवो नाही दैट इज ए बेले मु कहि दिली धर ए ऑर्डर कोटा आसीबो सब ऑर्डर मु एग्जांपल देबी जीरो ऑर्डर एग्जांपल दिया दिबो सपोज एटा कोटा एग्जांपल दोछि H2 plus Cl2 in presence of 2HCl at the rate log K H to the power 0 Cl to the power 0 देखो 0 plus 0 कितने हो 0 so here the rate of reaction rate law or rate equation that suggests rate of reaction is independent of the molar concentration of the reactant. Molar concentration of reactant H2 और Cl2 पर depend करिवो नाही. Rate of reaction is independent upon the molar concentration of reactant. Clear? So what is zero order reaction? These are the reaction in which rate of reaction is independent upon the molar concentration of reactant. Reactant suppose H2 and Cl2 reactant or concentration of rate of reaction does not depend upon the concentration of H2 and Cl2. Rate of reaction H2 और Cl2 ର concentration ऊपर depend करिवो नाही जति depend करिवो नाही कहा ऊपर on which factor it will depend upon it is H nu that is H nu or sunlight H nu or sunlight so that is rate of reaction depends upon the intensity of light or intensity पर depend करिवो जदि एटा ला photochemical if this is a photochemical reaction but if this is a catalytic reaction जदि catalyst presence reaction रा होतबो catalyst ऊपर depend करिवो very important गुटिए पॉइंट मन रखो in zero order reaction कहा को zero order reaction to whom we call zero order reaction we call zero order reaction that is rate of reaction is independent upon the molar concentration of the reactant rate of reaction molar concentration of reactant ऊपर डिपेंड करिवो नाही कहा ऊपर डिपेंड करिवो दुईटा कंडीशन ऊपर डिपेंड करिवो जदी सेटा फोटोकेमिकल रिएक्शन है जो फोटोकेमिकल रिएक्शन माने लाइट प्रेजेंस रिएक्शन होतबो सेटा लाइट रो इंटेंसिटी ऊपर डिपेंड करिवो जदी सेटा कैटालाइटिक रिएक्शन कैटालिस्ट प्रेजेंस रे होतबो ताले कैटालिस्ट ऊपर डिपेंड करे if this is a photochemical reaction it depends upon the intensity of light if this is a catalytic reaction it depends upon catalyst but it does not depend upon the initial it does not depend upon the molar concentration of reactant तनो ओडिया रे कहियो गले गुटिए लाइन रेट ऑफ जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन का को कहबा ना जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन इज इंडिपेंडेंट अपॉन द मोलर कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ रिएक्टेंट रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन का मोलर कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ रिएक्टेंट ऊपर डिपेंड करिवो नाही रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन इज इंडिपेंडेंट अपॉन द मोलर कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ द रिएक्टेंट बट सो जदि रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन का मोलर कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ रिएक्टेंट ऊपर डिपेंड करिवो नाही का ऊपर डिपेंड करिवो if this is catalytic reaction it depends upon catalyst if this is photochemical reaction it depends upon intensity of light clear जदि सेटा कैटालाइटिक रिएक्शन हेतिबो कैटालिस्ट ऊपर डिपेंड करिवो जदि सेटा फोटोकेमिकल रिएक्शन हेतिबो ताले इंटेंसिटी ऑफ लाइट ऊपर डिपेंड करिवो क्लियर दुईटा दिन सेटा को लिखि दी बार साइड ए बार साइड लिखिबो रे को जानिया पाइले एटा डेफिनेशन so these are the reaction in which the rate of reaction is independent upon the molar concentration of the reactant एटा तुम जानिया पे एग्जांपल दे एटा भी लिखो पर लिखो तो नोट्स रे तुम एटा लिखो फर्स्ट पॉइंट these are the reaction in which the rate of reaction is independent of the molar concentration of the reactant बार साइड पर जानिया पे लिखा है very important point एटा बार साइड For catalytic reaction it depends upon catalyst, and for photochemical reaction it depends upon intensity of light. Photochemical reaction, all photochemical reaction takes place in the presence of light. तेणु लाइट प्रेजेंस रे जो रिएक्शन ना हो तब कहले photochemical. In presence of light the chemical reaction takes place, that is called photochemical reaction. So zero order reaction is such reaction in which rate of reaction is independent of the molar concentration of reactant but depends upon catalyst and intensity of light for catalytic reaction and photochemical reaction. For catalytic reaction it depends upon catalyst, for photochemical reaction it depends upon intensity of light. Clear? So next we will discuss. So notes है यदि आप पढ़ लिखो यदि zero derivation पर चलते हैं, the question he has asked the question in the council exam, what is zero order reaction, write the expression. You will not write that. This is for your understanding point of view. So you will write only this thing. Next I am deriving the expression for zero order reaction. How can we calculate the rate constant for zero order reaction, or what are the expression it required to calculate the rate constant of zero order reaction? Next, mathematical expression. Mathematical expression. Mathematical expression. Consider a reaction. Consider a reaction. Suppose A gives rise to product. Look at reactant A gives rise to product. Reactant A gives rise to product. When t equal to 0, देखो जतले t का 0 टाइम 0, जतले टाइम 0 सेतबेले रिएक्टेंट कंसंट्रेशन केते अछि ना A moles per liter. When t equal to 0, reactant A concentration is small a moles per liter. At that time no product is formed, that is 0. Very important point. जितेबेले टाइम reactant A decompose to give product, when reactant A decomposes to give product, but when time t equal to 0, जितेबेले time 0, no reactant decompose to give product. That is reactant concentration is small a moles per liter. Product concentration is how much? That is 0. Product concentration is how much? That is 0. So product concentration is how much? That is 0. So after some time, when t equal to t, that is A minus x moles per liter, that is x. Remaining concentration of A minus x moles per liter, that is x. So what is x? X is amount of product. What is x? X is the amount of product formed after some time. t जो 10 मिनट लगो 10 मिनट में x अमाउंट प्रोडक्ट करने चलला, 15 मिनट में 15 मिनट में x प्रोडक्ट करने चलला, 20 मिनट में 20 मिनट में x प्रोडक्ट करने चलला. So what is x? X we can shortly say that amount of product formed after some time, amount of product formed after some time t. So reactant A gives product when time t equal to 0, jatla time 0 initially, that is when time t equal to 0, what is the concentration of A? Small a moles per liter. At that time no reactant decompose to give the product, so product concentration is 0. But after some time, किछि समय परे केते प्रोडक्ट फॉर्मेला त x amount of product फॉर्मेला. तो remaining concentration एरे केते रहइबो? A minus x. Remaining concentration of A is A minus x, that is A minus x whole square later. Clear? So when t equal to 0, reactant concentration is small a moles per liter. At that time no product form, so that is 0. So after some time x product form, so remaining concentration of A kete A minus x moles per liter. Next we will apply the law of mass extraction. Next, according to the law of mass action, rate of reaction directly proportional to look at this. This is very important. So law of mass action कर देना, rate of reaction is directly proportional to the product of molar concentration, to the product of molar concentration of the reactant, and each coefficient raised to the power. Rate of reaction directly proportional to molar concentration of reactant A अछि, A molar concentration, power is 0 रखना. Why the power is given 0? Because rate of reaction is independent upon the molar concentration of the reactant. So this power is 0. Why this power is 0? Because rate of reaction is independent upon the molar concentration of the reactant. That is A to the power 0. Clear? So rate of reaction directly proportional to the molar concentration of the reactant. Reactant is A molar concentration. Why power is 0? Because rate of reaction is independent upon the molar concentration of the reactant. So rate of reaction directly proportional to the A to the power 0. Kindly, according to the definition, rate of reaction is independent of the molar concentration of the reactant. Reactant here A molar concentration which is depend on the power is 0. Clear? Next, so rate of reaction means dx by dt directly proportional to A is how much? A minus x to the power 0. A minus x to the power 0. Clear? So dx by dt directly proportional to the A to the power minus x, A minus x to the power 0. Its power A is A minus x, the power is 0. So next we will write this. It is most of the time is putting question. Define zero order reaction. This is the definition. Question opportunity, most of the time he puts the question. Define zero order reaction. Give one example or two example. Example last time divi. Characteristic padela. So first you will write the definition. These are the reactions in which the rate of reaction is independent of the molar concentration of the reactant. Mathematical expression. Consider reaction. A gives rise to product when time t equal to 0. Bar side नोट्स যদি পছরে লেখা দরকার নাই কিন্তু এটা বলা লেখা হলা नेक्स्ट हाउ वी विल डिराइव लुक एट दिस dx by dt डायरेक्ट इक्वल टू a minus x to the power 0 नेक्स्ट आई एम इरेजिंग दिस এটা দিকে লেখো नेक्स्ट dx by dt डायरेक्ट शॉर्ट कर लिख दिलो a minus x to the power 0 এটা মাত্র লিখে দিচ্ছি dx by dt डायरेक्ट शॉर्ट a minus x to the power 0 और dx by dt equal to k0 a minus x to the power 0 dx by dt k0. What is k0? K0 is the rate constant for zero order reaction. What is k0? K0 is the rate constant for zero order reaction. This is the I can write k, but I am why writing k0 because that will indicate k0 is the rate constant for zero order reaction. If I write k1, K1 is the rate constant for first order reaction, K2 is the rate constant for second order reaction, K3 is the rate constant for third order reaction. Clear? So what is K0? K0 is the rate constant for zero order reaction. So we can write dx by dt equal to, this is something to the power 0 equal to 1. So this is K0. This is K0. Next, separating the variables and rearranging them, we can write, separating the variables and rearranging them, we can write. How we can write? Dx equal to K0 dt. Dx equal to, look at dt को एपॉइंट नहीं गला, dx equal to K0 dt. Next, integrating both sides of the above equation. ये इक्वेशन को इंटीग्रेट कर लो. Integrating both sides of the above equation, we can write dx, integration of dx K0 dt. এটা कहते हैं sure integration, already you read in mathematics. dx का integration is how much? x. dx का integration कितना है? x. এটা K0 is constant, so constant should be taken outside. K0 outside गला, dt का integration t. dt का integration is how much? t. So we can write first answer है. अगर इस वीडियो को पॉज कर लिखो. So dx equal to this. Next one line. X equal to K0 t plus c. K0 t plus c. K0 t plus c. Or look at this is the derivation we will get. Next I am putting one question. When t equal to 0, x will be how much? Very important question. When t equal to 0, what will be the value of x? What will be the value of x if t equal to 0? t equal time যেতবেলে 0, when time is 0, what is x? How much amount of product formed? What is x? I am writing amount of product formed after some time. What is x? X is the amount of product formed after some time. After some time, but here when t equal to time equal to 0, we know that no reactant decomposed to give the product. So product will be how much? 0. So what is the amount of x formed? That is 0. So when t equal to 0, x equal to 0. You will put this value in this equation. Then calculate this c value. T equal to 0, K0 into 0, 0, x equal to 0. So c equal to 0. So c value will be 0. C value will be 0. Then equation 1 will be c equal to 0. Next we put this value in this equation. Next, putting the value of c from equation 2 in equation 1 we can write x equal to k0 t because c equal to 0, so we can also write k0 equal to x by t. This is equation number 3. Look at k0 equal to x by t, that is equation number 3. So equation 3 is the desired or required equation to calculate the value of rate constant for 0 order dx. 0 order rate constant काढिया ପାଇଁ formula है, this is the formula k0 equal to x by t. k0 equal to x by t, so this is the required equation or desired equation to calculate the value of rate constant for 0 order dx. So equation 3 is the required equation. Equation 3 is the required equation 3 is the required equation to calculate the equation 3 is the required equation to calculate the value of equation 3 is the required equation to calculate the value of rate constant for 0 order reaction. Equation 3 is the desired or required equation to calculate the value of rate constant for 0 order. So equation 3 is the required or desired equation to calculate the value of rate constant for 0 order. So by applying equation 3 we can calculate the value of rate constant for 0 order reaction. By applying equation 3 we can calculate the value of rate constant for 0 order reaction. So this is the derivation. He may put this derivation. पचास दिला डॉक्टर सुनता आगे वर्ष पचास दिलेगा k0 equal to x by t. What define 0 order reaction, derive the equation for 0 order rate constant. This is the derivation. Consider equation पाखु लिखियो mathematical expression, consider reaction पाखु लिखियो हैला. So you will write consider a first definition, then mathematical expression, consider reaction, a gives rise to product when t equal to 0, then next you will derive this mathematics. Clear? So by applying equation 3 you can calculate the value of rate constant for 0 order reaction. Is that clear? Next we will write characteristics of 0 order reaction. Next we will discuss characteristics of 0 order reaction. 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 So what are the characteristics of 0 order reaction? First is the units of rate constant. The units of rate constant for the units of rate constant for 0 order, the units of rate constant for 0 order reaction. The units of rate constant for 0 order reaction is given by the units of rate constant for zero order reaction is given by dash मतलब dash method चलो I am giving a formula to calculate how can you calculate any order से पचरी it a very important question 1 mark question is fixed from kinetics most of the time put that question what is the order of reaction so what is the unit of rate constant for zero order reaction first order reaction second order reaction third order reaction je konosi order pacharu half order jaha bhi pacharu how can you calculate I am giving a short formula in order to you have to remember this formula mole the formula is mole to the power 1 minus n liter to the power n minus 1 times look at this formula mole to the power 1 minus n liter to the power n minus 1 time inverse এই ফর্মুলায় what is n equal to order of reaction what is n is order of reaction for if first order n1 second order n2 third order n3 zero order n0 যে কোন order n value put করতে you will put the value of n which respective order zero order n0 second order first order n1 second order n2 third order n3 যে কোন order put করি half order n half যে কোন order থাও n value সব put করি what is n order so if you put the value of n0 so what will be the value mole 1 minus n 1 minus 0 that is 1 liter 0 minus 1 so minus 1 time inverse in time inverse we will not write time inverse you will put the time second minute hour days year according to the reaction condition so most of the time you put for concentration term you put mole liter inverse second inverse so that is the unit of kg unit of rate constant for zero order reaction that is so k0 unit equals to mole liter inverse second inverse এটা হলো zero order rate constant this is the unit of zero order rate constant similarly you will calculate k1 what is the unit of k1 first order rate constant what is the unit of k2 second order rate constant what is the unit of k3 third order rate constant you will calculate by first order n1 first order कितना है look at mole 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0 so first order unit rate constant is second inverse what is k2 mole inverse 1 minus 2 minus 1 liter second inverse k2 वाला mole inverse liter second inverse k3 mole 1 minus 3 that is minus 2 3 minus 1 2 k3 kn up to k calculate k1 k2 k3 k0 this is the unit of rate constant this is the unit of rate constant for zero order this is the unit of rate constant for first order this is the unit of rate constant for second order this is the unit of rate constant for third order kn this is kn this is the unit of rate constant for kn we can write this is the unit of rate constant for nth order n order this is the unit of rate constant for n here this is the unit of rate constant for n so you will only this is for your understanding and question first characteristics you will write here only this the units of rate constant for zero order reaction is given by mole liter inverse second inverse this is the unit of k0 equal to this one these are the formula to know any order जे कोनोसी order of rate constant रो unit करिया पाई this is the formula kn equal to mole 1 minus n liter n minus 1 time inverse will not write the time in words, you will put the time, that is second, minute, hour, days, whatever the reaction condition, you will put that time. Clear? So units of rate constant for zero order reaction is given by mole, meter inverse, second inverse. एटा जदि gaseous reaction थिबो, gaseous reaction ताले कोन आसीबो atmosphere 1 minus n. आउट पॉइंट लिखिलो जानिया पई for gaseous reaction the units of for gaseous reactions of nth for gaseous reactions of nth order we can calculate the units of rate constant के ratio atmosphere 1 minus n times atmosphere 1 minus n time inverse time लिखिबो second minute hour से बड़े लिखिबो और अदरवाइज मतलब सेकंड ही लिखिबो second atmosphere what is n is order of reaction gaseous reaction थिले ए यूनिट टा पकई atmosphere 1 minus n फर्स्ट ऑर्डर पाई सो जीरो ऑर्डर जदी gaseous reaction अछि जीरो ऑर्डर रा ताले कोन पकईबो atmosphere 1 minus 0 1 second कारण k0 थिले एटा आसीबो फॉर gaseous reaction एटा nth ऑर्डर पई गेला टाइम जीरो ऑर्डर पई आसले for gaseous reaction of zero order what is the unit of k0 equal to atmosphere second clear so एठी तुम्हें ए दुईटा फॉर्मूला मन रखिलो this first formula and second formula gaseous reaction by this is formula and concentration term by this is the formula टाइम में खाली टाइम का अगर इन प्लस ऑफ टाइम यू पुट सेकंड मिनट आवर रिएक्शन कंडीशन याद से मोस्टली सेकंड थी हैला सेकंड का मिनट सेकंड की बात मिनट सो इट इज सेकंड पकेबो सेकंड के बाद देखो से सेकंड पकेबो इट भी सेकंड मिनट भी पकेबो रिएक्शन यदि मिनट से होची मिनट पकेबो आवर पकेबो डे पकेबो so this is the units of rate constant for zero order reaction is given by this or k0 equal what is the से पूछ रहे हो क्वेश्चन what is the unit of rate constant for zero order reaction this is this one k0 equal to this one एतिक एक बार क्वेश्चन this is most important question so एटी मु k0 जगह सबटा पढले फर्स्ट ऑर्डर पचले एटा आसीबो सेकंड ऑर्डर पचले एटा आसीबो थर्ड ऑर्डर पचले एटा आसीबो जदि gaseous reaction नै दिबो ए फॉर्मूला n जगह इसका ऑर्डर n is order of reaction it will be n is order of reaction where n equal to order of n is order of reaction clear so this is all about zero order first characteristic next second characteristic right ये पोस्ट करके लिखो second characteristics second characteristics half life period half life period what is half life period half life period is defined as the time during which half of the reactant have been decomposed to give product half life period is defined as half life period of a reaction is defined as the time during which half of the reactant have been decomposed to give product half life period half life period of a chemical reaction is defined. Half life period of a chemical reaction is defined as the half life period of a chemical reaction is defined as the time during which half of the reactants have been decomposed to give half life period of a chemical reaction is defined as the time during which half of the reactants have been decomposed to give product. बर्तमान एठी कोन हो हाफ लाइफ पीरियड कोन जेउ समय रे अधा रिएक्टेड डिकम्पोज हे प्रोडक्ट दबो ताकू कहआ जीवो हाफ लाइफ पीरियड. वेरी सिंपल देखो सपोज रिएक्टेंट अछि कंसंट्रेशन ए एटा देछि प्रोडक्ट टाइम t = 0 एटी केते अछि 20 मोल्स पर लीटर अछि प्रोडक्ट केते अछि 0 when time t = 0 what is the concentration of A 20 moles per liter product is 0. So half life का कहबा t = t half केते कहबा जे 10 moles आर आधा केते 10 moles डिकम्पोज हे प्रोडक्ट दबो रोइला केते आउ 10 moles सही टाइम तक कहआ जीवो हाफ लाइफ. What is half life period? The time during which half of the reactant have been decomposed to give product. जो समय रे आधा reactant decompose हे product दबो ताकू कहआ जीवो half life period. Clear? जो समय रे the time during which half of the reactant have been decomposed to give product. Suppose एठी थांदा एठी t होला suppose एठी अछि धरा t एठी suppose a moles per liter अछि एठी केते आसीबो जेतोला a x टा केते आसीबो ना a y जेतोला आधा रिएक्टेंट डिकम्पोज हे प्रोडक्ट होला एठी रहयो केते a by 2 जो समय रे आधा रिएक्टेंट डिकम्पोज half of the reactant have been decomposed to give product that is called half life period. Clear? So जो समय रे आधा रिएक्टेंट डिकम्पोज हे प्रोडक्ट दबो ताकू कहआ जीवो half life period. The time during which half of the reactant have been decomposed to give product is called half life period. Clear? It is denoted कराइबो एबा t half एटा कोन बुझिया ପାଇଁ ଲେଖିଲି एटा किछ लिखिबोनी एटा एबा लिखो खाली डेफिनेशन एटा लिखो का definition. Second, it is denoted as t half. एटा को डिनोट को बळा करा जीवो ना t half नोटेशन दो. Next, when t = t half x = a by 2 t = t half x = केते a by 2 आमे जानि छे we know that k0 = how much we know that k0 = x by t x केते छला a by 2 by t = t half t = t half. Clear? So तबे एठी केते आसीबो so t half = a by 2 kg. एटा इक्वेशन नंबर ID. k0 = x by t already we have derived from zero order rate constant. How can you calculate the zero order rate constant? k0 = x by t. k0 = x by t. Here, so k0 = x by t, x = a by 2, t = t half. So t half = a by 2 k0. This is equation I. This is equation I. So half life period of a देखो half life period of a zero reaction depends upon the initial concentration of the reactant. A term ना होइछि A term में बोले लेंगे half life period of a zero reaction depends upon the initial concentration of the reactant and inversely proportional to the react constant. So এই इक्वेशन फॉर गुटे आसीबो गुटे पॉइंट तुमे इंडिकेट कर परिबो half life period of a zero reaction এটা কোন অর্ডারে কাটছে zero so half life period of a zero reaction depends upon the initial concentration and of the reactant and inversely proportional to the react constant এই ইকুয়েশন দেখো half life টা ডিপেন্ড করছে কার উপরে a উপরে ডিপেন্ড করছে so half life period of a যেটা লিখি পারিবো so from equation iv এই সাইড উপরে লিখি হচ্ছে আর তলে লিখি সরি আর তলে জাস্ট লিখবো from equation iv we conclude that the half life period from equation iv we conclude that the half life period of a zero reaction depends upon the initial concentration of the reactants and inversely proportional to the half life period of, so from equation I think we conclude that the half life period of a zero reaction depends upon the initial concentration. Look at half life equal to a by 2 k0, so half life depends upon a inverse proportional to k0 সেটা বলে কাইছে না আমরা from equation I think we conclude that the half life period of a zero reaction depends upon the initial concentration of the reactants and inversely proportional to the react constant, that is k0. Clear? It is the second characteristics. This is all about the second characteristics of zero order reaction. Third characteristics. This is second characteristic. Next is third characteristics. Now pause करिए लिखो. Third characteristics. Third characteristics examples of zero order reaction. Examples of zero order reaction. So what are the examples of zero order reaction? Look at first example. H2 gas, Cl2 gas, HNu or it is sunlight. HNu or sunlight to HCl gas. It is Rev law or equation equal to K H to the power 0 Cl to the power 0. Look at 0 plus 0 order of reaction is defined as the sum of the powers to which the molar concentration terms are raised in the rate law or rate equation. Rate equation is the concentration term 0 0 is 0 plus 0, that will be 0. So this is 0 order. Here first example. Second example out of the decomposition of hydrogen iodide on the surface of gold. Decomposition of HI on the surface of gold. 2HI on the surface of gold. H2 decomposition of hydrogen iodide on the surface of gold. Gold का symbol A अरा. Gold symbol कौन अरा. एटा कौन symbol? एटी rate law का symbol. Here rate law will be K HI to the power 0. What is your order? 0 order. एटी कौन symbol? 0 order. Decomposition of ammonia in the presence of tungsten. Third example उड़ा दोची. Decomposition of ammonia in the presence of tungsten. Decomposition of ammonia in the presence of tungsten and high temperature. Tungsten and high temperature. Decomposition of ammonia in the presence of tungsten and high temperature. Look at 2 NH3 gas. It is high temperature. High temperature and tungsten. Tungsten capital W. Tungsten la capital W. That is the N2. So for this reaction, rate law equal to K so zero order reaction. This is examples of zero order reaction. Clear? This is the examples of zero order reaction. Next, I would example douchi. I would example name graphical. This is the third characteristic. एचरो तीन को चले डिफाइन जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन गिव वन एग्जांपल और टू एग्जांपल तीन एग्जांपल देखिए बेस्ट एग्जांपल सो फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज वेरी इजी सेकंड टाइम देख लो डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ HI on the surface of gold और थर्ड एग्जांपल लिखना ना बहुत बेटर डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ ammonia in the presence of tungsten at high temperature. Next third एग्जांपल ग्राफिकली देखो जी just third point the fourth if we plot a graph versus x and t, if we plot a graph versus x and t, what will be the slope? It is a 4 it is a x it is a t is a time x is concentration x in moles per liter. Concentration x moles per liter and also time in secondary period. Time in secondary period. It is a slope. Okay. If we plot a graph x versus t, we will get this slope, that is kg. So if we plot a graph x versus t, we will get a straight line passing through the origin. If we plot a graph x versus t, we will get a straight line passing from the origin and slope will give, the slope value will be kg. Slope value will be the K0. The slope of the line gives the zero order value of red constant. In the slope of the line, slope of the line gives the value of red constant, that is slope of the line gives the value of red constant, that is K0. So if we plot a graph x versus t, that is for zero order reaction, that is for because we know that K0 equal to x by t. We know that K0 equal to x by t. We have to plot the graph x versus t. If we plot the graph x versus t, then we will get the slope of the line gives the value of red constant K0. And first if we plot a graph x versus t, then we will get the slope of the line. Then the slope of the line gives the value of red constant K0. It is simple like though if we plot a graph between x versus t, then if x versus t for zero order reaction. If we plot a graph between x versus t for zero order reaction, then the slope of the line gives the value of red constant K0. Eta likhlo. If we plot a graph, concentration x versus t, this will give the slope value. This will give the slope value. Already we have read in the mathematics. So if we plot a graph between x versus t for zero order, if we plot a graph between x versus t for zero order reaction, then the slope of the line gives the value of red constant K0. And slope of the line passing through the origin with straight line. Slope of the line passing through the origin with straight line. And the housing graph. Slope of the line passing through the origin with straight line, and slope of the line gives the value of red constant. If we plot a graph between x versus t for zero order reaction, then slope of the line passing through the origin and the slope of the line gives the value of red constant. Clear? So this is all about zero order reaction. So zero order we have completed. Next class we will discuss about the first order reaction and similar derivation, and so this is all about zero order. In question se zero order set करिए. Clear?